everyone, are you looking for 1 BHK rental flat in Mahadevapura? We have the amazing home, it's waiting for you. Come, let's go. Ta-da! This is a well-maintained 1 BHK flat, comes with a spacious living room, a modern kitchen, a comfortable bedroom with a cleanly bathroom. It's just perfect for working professions, couples or small families. This is your beautiful bedroom. Overall flat you have very good ventilation. If you want to know the rental details, don't skip the video, watch till at the end to get all the details. Then nearby locations. This located is heart of Mahadevapura. This home is very close to Phoenix Mall, VO Mall, BAGAMANE Tech Park, ITPL, Keyapuram Railway Station, Singalpalam Metro Station and more hypermarket. And ambience like 24/7 water supply, power backup, lift, security and parking for both 2-wheeler and 4-wheeler. You have a peaceful environment in this apartment. This is a beautiful balcony to relax after a long day. And here the best part. This amazing 1 BHK flat is out of for just 18,000 rupees plus 2k maintenance per month with a deposit of 80,000 rupees. This is an excellent value, is one of the Bangalore prime areas. If anyone interested, just contact this number or WhatsApp this number. If you want more rental updates, please subscribe to J Rental Properties and don't forget to like, share and comments below. If you have any questions, see you in the next video. Tata, bye.